for my, yeah.
Bakit hindi mo pinidisclose?
Personal.
Personal.
Yes po.
We are just establishing, Miss Cassandra Ong, that yung Whirlwind at saka Lucky South, isa lang to. The same people. Tama?
Yung una po, yes po.
So you confirm?
Yes po,
Oh,
yung
so
una.
when was the time that you met Harry Roque?
I think around 2022, after election.
So, first meeting nandun ka?
Opo.
After nung first meeting nyo, may second meeting pa kayo? Nagkita pa ulit kayo?
Wala na po. To be exact is hindi po kami nag-uusap after first meeting.
Hindi,
Nilapitan-
sinamahan ka pa nga sa
Yes
pagpor eh.
po. Ito, ina-explain ko po. Please give me time to explain po, Mr. Chair. Yeah.